Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Lobo. I'm back, ready to open these fan appreciation 2 packs. You got a 93 plus guaranteed in each one, so let's go. Let's just do it. Let's see what we can get. Might as well. Don't mind the low coin count. I constructed a Browns team, which I'll make a video on. Oh, ew. Is that my 93 plus? Trey Flowers? Oh, that's a bad pack. Well, anyway, like I was saying, I made a Browns team, but I still had a 96 over, 97 over. Oh, big X. 95. Dang. Still probably not going for anything. Nada. Come on, be something good. 94. Oof. This pack's are treating me tough right now. But I have a 97 overall team, kind of my item binder, ready to be sold. Can't talk right now. Redux, come on. 87 winners. Nah, these are bad, guys. These are not going well. Oh, yo, oh, what? Keith Bullock. Yo, I'll take it. But that's definitely the worst one. But damn it, I'll take it. Sorry for cussing. Gosh, I'm not gonna be greedy, but would have been way better if it was the other two. But either way, I'll take it. Might as well open another one. I might sell another player and get another player or two and get enough to buy the last one, but we'll see how this one goes. Come on. Be great. I'm not trying to be greedy. You're big, eh? Oh, please don't be the 93 plus. Darnell Docky, please don't be the 93 plus. Dang it. I knew I couldn't be greedy. Oh, well. Oh, redux. Just give me an 87. Yo! 98 Devin Hester. Yo! What? What? Good packs. What? See, these kind of remind me of the old fan appreciation packs. Yeah, these other cards suck. But these remind me of the old fan appreciation pack days. Yeah, that's how it should be. Good odds, good players, and a decent amount of players. But anyway, thanks for watching. I'm out of here. Doses.